NAMM is the National Association of Music Merchants. It's 3 levels of absolute mayhem where everything from drumsticks to audio equipment to anything you can imagine in the music industry is here. We have over 100,000 musicians walking the show. It's absolutely crazy, and people hunt us down. We brought a limited amount of bottles, and they are going fast. I gotta tell you, the 7 all-natural ingredients in this bottle is like angels soothing people's throats. We have exhibitors that are here speaking for 4 days straight, and they have no voice. They come to our booth, and we save them with Vocalese. A couple sprays, soothes, lubricates, hydrates the throat, and it's absolutely a miracle. Grab a bottle.
We do a lot of long shows, man. We do a lot of like really loud rock and roll screaming, and I'll wind up with just nothing in the tank by the time it's all said and done. So having something like this goes a long, long way. We got a song where I just am down on my knees screaming for like 20 seconds to end the song, and then I'm crawling back behind my amp to find my bottle of honey. It's good. It's legitimately good.
Oh wow. You can like immediately like feel the difference in your throat. It definitely feels a lot smoother than it did like even just a few seconds ago.
Yeah, I've had a friend tell me this is awesome stuff, so it's been recommended. It tastes delicious, smells really nice. It's in my sinuses now, and I'm really enjoying that.
I use it all the time when I'm on the road. Last year, I did 2.5 tours, maybe around 95, close to 100 dates. Just apply a couple of sprays in your mouth, and you can feel the difference pretty quick. At the end of the day, anything that gives you an edge to perform better, to be a better musician, give a good performance every night. So try it out, Vocalese.